Today, we are learning the Pythagorean Theorem. We will see what it means, how the formula is formed, where we use it in real life, and how to solve questions using it. The Pythagorean Theorem works only for right triangles. A right triangle has one angle equal to 90 degrees. The two shorter sides are called legs, and the longest side is called the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is always opposite the right angle. To understand the theorem, imagine building a square on each side of the triangle. The square on side A has area A squared. The square on side B has area B squared. The amazing idea is that the two smaller square areas together equal the biggest square area on side C. Now let's see how the formula is formed. Put 4 identical right triangles inside a large square. The total area of the big square is equal to the area of 4 triangles plus the area of the middle square. When we simplify, the matching 2ab cancels from both sides. What remains is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. The Pythagorean theorem is useful in real life. We can use it to find the length of a ladder, the diagonal size of a screen, the shortest path across a map, and even to check measurements in building and construction. Example 1. A ladder is 6 meters from a wall and reaches 8 meters high. The ladder is the hypotenuse, so we use c squared equals 6 squared plus 8 squared. That gives 36 plus 64, which is 100. So c equals the square root of 100, which is 10. The ladder is 10 meters long. Pause the video and solve these practice questions. Use the formula a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Write your answers in the comments. Remember, the Pythagorean theorem works only with right triangles. If you comment your answers now, I will check them.